How to clear your Spotify history. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can clear your recently played or the recently listened history on Spotify. Now the process itself is simple, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you'll have to understand is Spotify itself doesn't give an option to delete your recent playlist. If you head into your listening history, I don't have any history, but if you have it, you'll find it right here. But you won't get the option here to delete. Now there is a trick on how you can remove or clear your Spotify history. How you can do it is you can simply head into your profile right by tapping on the profile tab on Spotify, then tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy now you want to scroll all the way down below until you find the logout option. Now surprisingly this trick works, so all you have to do is you'll have to log out of your account on Spotify and then log in back again, and boom, your recently played history will be cleared. So this way you can easily clear Spotify history. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.